The name of chicken coop that I forgot to name them. So that guy right there, he is I call him Mr. Whitey because he looked like my white hen older uh my white hen brother. So this guy is Mr. Whitey. That hen I don't give the name, so I'm not quite sure. I got too many Pokais as well too. This one's Mr. Whitey. This one is this one I call him Sniper. Wait, no, never mind. I already have one Sniper. This guy. Oh shoot, I don't know. This guy I call him. Yeah, I'll get him names when I think about it. This guy I think about it too. This guy's Bruce. This guy's Bruce. That's the name, Bruce. A rooster, I give about it. I'll think about it. This same thing. This one's Cream. This one's Cream. The hen right there, I name it Coffee. Her name is Coffee. Okay, I have the other name named Brownie already, so she's gonna be Coffee or Dark Chocolate. Chocolate. The pumpkin, I call him Pumpkin. No, I already have one as Pumpkin. Never mind. This guy, he's gonna be Pumpkin number 2. This guy, I think about it. This guy, the old man is Lee. The old Lee Jamu. And then the hen, I will name him Miss Blackie. Okay, I'll try now. You should put you shut up. Wait, never mind. I'm gonna name all my chickens. Hold on. This guy is Mark, Blackie, Lee Jr. This guy, he looked like more like the dad. That's it. A different color. This guy is Simba. Simba right there. This guy is Sunny. This guy is Tom, cause when he remind me of Tom. This one, her name is her name is gonna be Kanoy. She looked like my old hen. This one's Sniper. This one is the guy. The red white rooster. I think I did that. Guy hen right there. I used to name her Yellowy. This baby chicken. I think about it. Okay, that rooster is Pumpkin. That's his name. Pumpkin number 1. I give this guy WD. Short name for White Dragon. WD. And his sister. Miss Pumpkin Gray Hen. That's my old hen's name too. These two are brother sister. So the hen right there, Ninja number 2. And then the male, Tanjiro. I don't know. Okay, I'm just guessing names. The big red. Everyone like this one, okay? Trust me. This one's too pretty. Everyone come over here just to look at that one. That one's Shiver. This hen is Shiver. My cousin named it Shiver, and then her other sister is Night. And then this dude right there is BG, Black Goat right there. That's why I'm gonna call him Black Goat. My grandfather he liked this one a lot, but he gave it to me because he wanted my bloodline. Okay, I'll try now. You should put your shit up.